Rajkumar Rao, known originally as Rajkumar Yadav, who was born on 31st August 1984 in Gurgaon, Haryana, India. Rajkumar was raised in a middle-class joint family. His father Satyapal Yadav used to work as a patwari, and mother Kamlesh Yadav is a simple homemaker. He shared a close bond with his mother, Kamlesh Yadav. Tragically, he lost his mother during the filming of his movie Newton. Rajkumar has siblings, a brother named Amit and a sister named Monica. On 15th November 2021, he tied the knot with his longtime girlfriend, Patralekha. The wedding ceremony unfolded at Oberoi Sukhvilas in Chandigarh. Prior to marrying actress Patralekha, Rajkumar had been in a relationship with her for an extended period. The couple fell in love during the filming of City Lights. Rajkumar Rao education qualification. Rajkumar's academic journey began at Siddheshwar Mandir School before he moved on to complete his schooling at Bluebells Model School in Gurgaon. His thirst for learning led him to pursue a bachelor's degree in arts from Atma Ram Sanatan Dharma College, affiliated with Delhi University in New Delhi. During his college years, he actively engaged in stage performances and honed his theatrical skills at esteemed institutions like the Sri Ram Center for Performing Arts and Kshitij Repertory in Delhi. Even in his younger days, Rajkumar displayed a penchant for martial arts, receiving training that eventually saw him excel to become a national-level gold medalist in Taekwondo. Furthering his passion for the performing arts, he undertook formal training in acting, graduating from the prestigious Film and Television Institute of India, Pune in 2008. Rajkumar Rao film career. Having completed his studies at the Film and Television Institute of India, Rajkumar Rao made the leap to Mumbai to pursue his passion for acting. Spending nearly a year making rounds to various production houses and meeting with casting directors, his breakthrough arrived when he stumbled upon an advertisement from casting director Dibakar Banerjee, who was on the lookout for fresh talent. This marked the beginning of Rajkumar's cinematic journey, debuting with the film Love, Sex Aur Dhoka in 2010, for which he received a humble remuneration of 11,000 rupees. Following his debut, Rajkumar Rao appeared in a cameo role as the freedom fighter Lokanath Bal in the 2012 film Chittagong, alongside notable appearances in movies such as Ragini MMS in 2011, Gangs of Wasaipur in 2012, and Talash in 2012. However, it was his collaboration with director Hansal Mehta in the 2012 film Shahid that marked a significant turning point in Rajkumar's career. During 2014, Rajkumar Rao graced the screen in two noteworthy dramas, Queen, alongside Kangana Ranaut, and City Lights, where he shared the spotlight with Patralekha. In 2019, Rajkumar took on the lead role in Shaili Chopra's Ek Ladki Ko Dekha To Aisa Laga, alongside Anil Kapoor, Sonam Kapoor, and Juhi Chawla. Throughout the years, he also showcased his talent in films such as Trapped, Baleli Ki Barfi, Stree, Shaadi Mein Zarur Aana, Badhai Do, Shrikant, Bheed, Ruhi, Hit the First Case, Chhalang, The White Tiger, and many more. For his amazing contribution to Indian cinema, Rajkumar Rao was honored with National Film Awards, Filmfare Awards, Filmfare OTT Awards, Asia Pacific Screen Award, CNNIBN Indian of the Year, PETA's Hottest Vegetarian Celebrity, GQ Men of the Year Award, Dada Saheb Phalke Excellence Award, IMW Digital Award, and so on. Now, Rajkumar Rao is one of the finest stars of the Indian cinemas. He charges around 2 crores for acting in a film. Overall, Rajkumar's total net worth is approximately 60 crores of Indian rupees. Lesser known facts about Rajkumar Rao. Number 1. In July of 2022, Rajkumar made headlines when he acquired a lavish triplex apartment situated in the upscale Juhu area of Mumbai. The property, previously owned by the late actress Sridevi and producer Boney Kapoor's daughter, actress Janhavi Kapoor, which is worth sum of nearly 44 crores rupees. Number 2. Rajkumar also indulges in his love for motorcycles. Back in October 2019, he added a Harley-Davidson Fat Bob to his collection. Not stopping there, he's also the proud owner of a luxurious Audi Q7. Number 3. When it comes to his professional and personal circles, Rajkumar Rao shares a close bond with industry stalwarts such as Ekta Kapoor, Dinesh Vijan, and Hansal Mehta. Number 4. In his downtime, Rajkumar finds solace in travel, considering it a vital means of unwinding from the pressures of his busy schedule. Additionally, he enjoys the occasional shopping spree, adding a touch of leisure to his lifestyle. Number 5. Rajkumar pays homage to his mother by setting her picture as the wallpaper on his phone, considering her his ultimate hero and source of inspiration. Number 6. Rajkumar is known for his meticulousness, often taking the time to make his own bed and maintaining a high standard of cleanliness. Number 7. His fascination with the world of cinema began at a young age. At 11 years old, Rao's first encounter with the iconic film Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge left a lasting impression. Identifying deeply with Shah Rukh Khan's character, Raj Malhotra, he would immerse himself in the role, even insisting that friends address him simply as Raj. Number 8. From childhood, Rajkumar displayed a talent for mimicry, often imitating the protagonists of the movies he watched with remarkable accuracy. Number 9. Beyond his passion for acting, Rajkumar is an ardent reader. Whether on the go, in his vanity van, or relaxing on his balcony with a cup of coffee, he finds solace in the pages of a good book. Number 10. Rajkumar underwent a weight gain of nearly 11 kilograms to portray Subhash Chandra Bose on screen. Number 11. Madhubala was Rajkumar's first crush. Number 12. In his next life, Rajkumar dreams of being reborn as Marlon Brando. Number 13. During the early stages of his career, Rajkumar faced significant challenges. Reflecting on those times in an interview, he shared, "It was a tough journey for me. I come from a modest, middle-class background, and there was a period during school when I couldn't afford fees and my teachers covered them for 2 years. When I moved to the city, we lived in a tiny house. I was paying 7,000 rupees of my share, which felt like a lot. I needed around 15,000 rupees to 20,000 rupees every month to survive, and there were times when I checked my account balance to find only 18 rupees left, while my friend had 23 rupees. Number 14. On 26 October 2023, the Election Commission of India named Rajkumar Rao as the national icon, aiming to inspire greater voter participation in elections. Do you like Rajkumar Rao as an actor? Tell us your opinion in the comments section. Make sure to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our channel for further interesting videos. Till then, stay with us.